Hey, so I ended up just getting this queen size bed frame from Home Design. I'm absolutely loving this. I just set it up and I wanted to show you what it looks like before I put a box spring or anything in this. So you do have to use a box spring for this model. This is the gray. I'm loving the button tuft on the back. It looks so nice and there's actually a ton of padding on here for ultimate comfort. I love the nail head look that they do going all the way down. It gives this such a sophisticated, elegant, and just like a luxury feel of a bed frame. I can't wait to put a bed on here and see what this actually looks like. But before we do that, I just want to go in and just take a quick look at the quality of the build that this company has. Everything was top notch. It really was easy to assemble and didn't take too long at all. I like how they have the supports in the middle going all the way down, and they even have these colored. Like, you're really never going to see these, but they do have them stained. It just shows their attention to detail. It goes all the way down. You got 4 boards, so it's going to keep the bed super sturdy, and you're also your bed from flexing or anything like that. On the sides, you're going to see that it is upholstered in a really nice linen fabric. This is padded as well. We're also going to see brown legs on the bottom. This is going to be a darker brown, but it looks absolutely stunning. I think that it really ties in perfectly. So this bed frame actually comes in black and gray, so you have an option that's going to fit either or of your home. So I'm going to throw a box spring on here and we're going to take a look at what this looks like fully assembled. Wow, this box spring looks so good on this bed. If you guys aren't aware, Home Design sells this box spring as well, and you can get it in 5 inches or 8. This is the 8 inches, fits the queen size bed frame that I have shown here. So this box spring is really nice as well because it's high quality metal. It has a really nice cover. You can see it comes on it too. So make sure that you check out Home Design's box spring because you are going to need it for this bed frame. Now let me throw a bed on here and throw the final touches on, and we'll see what this room looks like. Wow, that looks so good. With that box spring, it actually doesn't really sit that high. It probably comes up a little bit above my knees, but all together, I love the way that the button tuft looks, especially with the accents with the nail heads. This thing is really cool and it made my room look 100% better. Go and check out Home Design for yourself. I highly recommend this bed frame. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.